Hey everyone, today we're going to be doing a play along of Fleetwood Mac's Little Lies, which is a really great song to play no matter what level you're at. We're going to be doing two versions of it. Number one is going to be a capo version that's a little bit easier for anyone working on their open chords. And the other version is going to be one with no capo that's going to be using a bar chord. So for anyone working on bar chords, that's going to be really great for you. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so for the first part, we're going to be using a capo on fret 2, just like this. With the capo on fret 2, our chords become really easy. You probably already know a bunch of these. So we have E minor, there's a G major, there's a C major, and there's a D major. Now the whole song uses these chords just in different order. As for the strumming pattern, you can play something really basic like down, down, up, up, down, which is probably something you've played already. Also, for the chorus of this, we decided to play just down, 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 just to kind of build up the intensity. You don't have to do that. It might actually sound better if you just kept the other pattern going throughout the entire song. That's totally cool. Okay, so we got the chords, we got the strumming. Let's actually try it out now. Okay, I hope you're able to keep up with that. Now for part 2, we're going to get rid of this capo. So capo's coming off, which means that all of our chord names are going to change. So what used to be G is now going to be an A major. What used to be a C is now a D. And what used to be D is now going to be an E. Now for those 3, you probably maybe already know them. They're all open chords and not too hard to play. The one that's going to be a bit trickier is going to be an F sharp minor, which is now going to be taking the place of the E minor. Now, this is a bar chord, so for anyone out there who's trying to get bar chords working and sort of into their playing, this is a really great song because it just gives you one bar chord to work with. For strumming pattern, you can just do the exact same thing as before, and on top of that, you can also play the interlude, which is at the start, middle, and the end of the song, and I think that takes care of all the new parts. Let's get started on this. Alright, hope you enjoyed that. Now remember, you can always slow this down from the bottom right hand corner of this YouTube video, especially if you want to be working on chord transitions or strumming. You might want to go to 75% speed or 50% speed and kind of give yourself a chance to work those things out first and then gradually build up to full speed. Also, if you don't have a capo, no worries, you can still play those same basic chords without the capo. You just won't be able to play along to the recording, which isn't a huge deal. And finally, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We do lots of lesson videos and music videos and original stuff that I really think you'll like. So, we'll see you next time.